Welcome to another video. Here in my dashboard are my earnings from my very first month of affiliate marketing. In just 1 month of posting content with no previous knowledge or experience in this space and no online brand, I was able to generate over $4,000. The only reason I'm showing you this is to prove that if I can do it, I can give you the step-by-step process so that you can do the exact same thing. Now, what is affiliate marketing? To put it simply, have you ever been to a restaurant and then referred a friend to that restaurant? Or have you shopped at a certain store and referred someone to that shop? Or maybe you recommended a brand of clothing that you like. If you've done any of that, you're basically already an affiliate marketer. With affiliate marketing, you post content and promote someone else's product. When people buy through your unique link, you take a fat chunk of commission. And you can make really good money doing this. And there are plenty of products you can promote. There are low ticket products which cost between $5 to $50 like water bottles or fitness gear, and you'd probably earn between 50 cents to a couple dollars per sale. And then high ticket products can range from $1,000 to $20,000 where you can earn $4,000 to $5,000 per sale. This is one of the best business models out there because it's low risk and low cost, and it creates a perfect outcome for everyone involved. Now the business owner wins because they don't have to risk their money, they don't have to spend money on ads up front, they only pay you after the sale has been made. So it is passive income for them, and they would make money without doing any work or risking anything. And you win because you get a healthy commission and you don't have to build anything, or you don't have to do any of the fulfillment. All you gotta do is make the sale, and after you make the sale, there's no fulfillment, there's no work for you, you get paid and you move on to the next person. And obviously the customer wins because your job is to identify a problem that they have and find a solution for them. So it's a win-win-win situation. And there are endless niches and products you can choose from. So you can always find something that resonates with you and your audience. So where do you start? Step number 1, choose the right niche. Your niche is simply the area or market where you'll focus on. Choose something that you're interested in or have some knowledge about. You don't need to be an expert, you're just promoting someone else's product. For example, if you like fishing, you can promote fishing rods, lures, or other gear. If you like baking, you can promote kitchen tools. For the best results, focus on high-ticket digital products over $1,000. That way, you only need to make 1, 2, or 3 sales to make thousands of dollars instead of selling hundreds of thousands of cheap items. The top 5 niches I recommend are health, wealth, relationships, travel, and technology. I personally chose the wealth niche because that was something I was really interested in, and I believed I can help a lot of people in that niche. Good places to find digital products include Digistore24 and ClickBank. Look for something reputable with a solid payout that you would genuinely recommend. Now guys, remember, your reputation is more important than making a quick buck. Only find products that you resonate with and you will personally buy yourself. Step number 2. Find a product and affiliate program. When finding products, do some research and actually test the product if possible. Make a list of 10 to 20 potential products or markets. Pick something you like or are passionate about and make sure it's a high quality offer you'd feel comfortable promoting. Examples of good digital products include coaching and consulting, online courses, mentorship programs, membership communities, and software or tools. I personally became an affiliate for a high ticket info product. I was selling information to change people's lives. And I had already used this service before, and I trusted this brand, so I knew it worked and it was a no-brainer for me to promote it. Step 3, build your funnel. This is where people go to buy your product. At the top of the funnel, you post content with a call to action sending people to your affiliate link. That link leads to the product's page, and then the visitor then makes a purchase and you get paid a fat commission. You can set this up easily using free tools like Linktree. Just download the app and create a page with your affiliate link. Step 4, choose your platform. Now you don't need to spend a lot of money on ads to get people to buy through your affiliate link. Many beginners waste money on ads, but instead focus on free organic traffic. It costs nothing except your time and can snowball into massive results. These are the best free platforms. Number 1, by far the best platform is YouTube. It is the best long-term platform because your videos live forever and keep getting views. It can take 10 to 60 videos to gain traction, but once your channel grows, it scales exponentially and can sustain you for life. Number 2, TikTok. This is great for getting a lot of views quickly and going viral, but the content has a short lifespan. So use TikTok to funnel followers to your YouTube channel and other social media platforms. Number 3, Instagram. This is what I personally use to sell my info product. Instagram is excellent for building a personal connection with your audience. Post reels and stories to make your profile personable and keep your affiliate link in your bio. Step 5, create high quality content. This is where most people go wrong. You need content that not only gets views, but also converts into sales. Focus on 3 main types. SEO content. Use tools like vidIQ to research high-performing keywords and create videos optimized for search. An example would be search for affiliate marketing, find products with high search volume and low competition, and create videos around those. Number 2, tutorials and trainings. Solve problems your audience is struggling with. Example would be how to start affiliate marketing step by step, or why you aren't getting sales. 3, recreational content. Look at successful videos in your niche, study what worked, and recreate them in your own style. Don't copy word for word, just model the structure and ideas and create something unique and original. Step 6, optimize and double down. Once you've posted enough content, analyze what works and double down on that. Double down on those topics and recreate them in new ways. And you gotta cut out the videos that are not performing well. It doesn't matter if you like that style of content or if you enjoy making those videos. If it doesn't perform, cut them out. You gotta always be modifying your videos, because if your goal is to post every single day, you can't be wasting a single day posting content that doesn't convert. And the reason is, usually 10% of your videos will bring in 90% of your views and sales. So focus on what works. Alright, if you made it this far in the video, pat yourself on the back. That's it. Those are the 6 steps to getting started with affiliate marketing. Follow these steps and you'll realistically work towards making your first $10,000 online within the next 30 days. And if you want help with content creation, personal branding, or sales, reach out to me on Instagram and I'll personally help you out. But only reach out if you are serious. See you in the next video.